Have you ever seen a ghost flying silently through the night? No, it's not from a horror movie. It's the barn owl. With its heart-shaped face, snow-white feathers, and haunting screeches, this mysterious bird has fascinated humans for centuries. In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets of one of the most widespread and incredible hunters in the bird world, the barn owl. The barn owl Tyto alba is found almost everywhere on Earth, from America to Asia, Africa to Australia. It's sometimes called the ghost owl, church owl, or white owl, names inspired by its pale feathers and eerie nighttime calls. But don't let its ghostly look fool you. It's one of nature's most skilled and silent hunters. The barn owl is medium-sized, about 33 to 39 centimeters tall, with a wingspan up to 1 meter. Its face looks like a white heart, perfectly shaped to funnel even the tiniest sound toward its ears. And guess what? One ear is slightly higher than the other, giving the owl 3D hearing. That means it can pinpoint exactly where a mouse is, even in total darkness. The barn owl's favorite meal, small mammals, especially rats and mice. It hunts mostly at night, using its incredible hearing and night vision. What's really cool, barn owls are completely silent flyers. Their feathers are specially designed to muffle sound, no whooshing, no flapping, total silence. Imagine a stealth bomber with feathers. A single barn owl can eat over 4,000 rodents a year, making it one of the best natural pest controllers in the world. Barn owls usually nest in barns, hollow trees, or even abandoned buildings. That's how they got their name, barn owl. The female lays 4 to 7 eggs, and both parents work hard to feed their fluffy white chicks. Within just 8 to 10 weeks, those chicks are ready to fly out and start their own ghostly adventures. Okay, time for some fun facts. Fact 1. Barn owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Fact 2. They swallow their prey whole, bones, fur, and all. Later, they spit out small pellets made of indigestible bits. Fact 3. Their eyes are fixed, they can't move them, so that's why they turn their heads so much. Fact 4. Despite their scary looks, they're actually very shy and harmless to humans. In some cultures, barn owls were seen as symbols of death or bad luck. But in others, they're protectors that guard the crops from pests and evil spirits. In truth, these owls are heroes of the night, keeping ecosystems in balance. Sadly, barn owl numbers are declining in some areas due to habitat loss, road accidents, and poisoning from pesticides. But the good news is many people are helping by setting up nesting boxes and protecting farmlands. So if you ever hear a mysterious screech on a moonlit night, don't be afraid. It's just the ghostly guardian of the fields, the barn owl. If you love learning about the amazing barn owl, hit that like button, subscribe to WILDWINGS, and join us for more awesome bird adventures every week. See you in the next video.